Jesus Christ, don't fucking think. Hey, bitch. Ow, fucker.
That if we're not hit for it.
I'm not gonna run! I'm not gonna run!
Ow, you
I'm not gonna run! I'm gonna run!
Hurry up, hurry up. Don't do it again. Don't do it again because I swear to fucking God. You deserve that so bad. He fucking, when she took the bump, his head slammed into the side of the truck. Cuz I don't want to fucking encourage the fucking shooting of the people in the back of the fucking truck. Don't get hit in the, you know what?
That would definitely be a rare shit. No launcher fee then.
Don't shoot him. You guys cannot, but all the...
You already got hit once.
Right. Back up. I want you to go right.
The same way.
No, we got a path.
Oh my God, where am I going?
Go back and go right.
The same way she went.
Please, we're sitting on the top.
Right. I will tell you when to turn left. Follow this road all the way around to the left. We're going to come up right behind them. Nope, that was good. We're good. Woo, shit.
That shit was loud though.
Follow this road around left.
Got a good angle, man.
Where we going? Come on.
Fuck, I'm almost out of air.
Hey, Mark, can we throw grenades back there?
We're going, what?
We throw grenades back there.
Yeah, go for it. Shit. That was good.
We did. Yep, we did.
We're hit.
Good.
Okay, we'll have to fill it up then.
Red light, red
Move.
light. All dead. Wait, are we all dead too?
Yeah.
Look at here. I'm good. I love my P50 mag.
Hey, stop it.
He almost got you again. Joker saved you.
Just open the door even. Just see what he does. Oh, Mark's gunless.
Oh fuck, I'm blind. Fuck. No, he's going wide.
Wait. Give it to me.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't put up a lot of. There we go.
He's not gonna expect it.
Go. Where's the other shell? Ready? Go up, Emma, go up.
Okay.
Go.
Oh!
Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Somebody open the other door.
The thing wasn't ready, son! Ow! Hit me straight in the forehead! Oh!
Got the Skittles? Oh, fuck my eyes. It bounced off my ear. Did I? Yes! Oh, I'm sorry. Fuck you! Collateral damage. What's up?
Ow! Ow, you hit me! Yes! Fuck you! I am not collateral damage!
Seb's fault.
Get back in the goddamn truck!
Get back in the goddamn truck! Yes, ma'am, hold up, let me find my Skittles.
It's over there in the grass, behind
over
the
there.
green spot.
Look at that forehead.
Oh man, March is still shit. Oh, girlfriend, you need to see a picture.
Right in the soft spot. Oh my god.
Is that tattoo, bro? That's tattoo.
You walked right into us testing the gun.
You left a massive. Oh! You left a massive.
Stop shooting my truck.
Hey! Hey! Knock it the fuck off!
Oh my god. Is the camera on?
Yes.
Are you done?
Come on!
That's for all the time you shot me in the head.
It's with a fucking.
Can I get you again?
You lit up Sarah and.
Wait.
Your goddamn ass back in this fucking truck right now!
I was over there. I moved back.
Get in the truck. Don't look at me. I
know you did it.
Back of the head?
I did shoot him for you.
No.
Emma.
Yeah, boys, play it.
Where'd I get you?
Oh, God.
Look what you did. In the fucking throat.
Can I see the other one?
Yeah.
I hurt too, by the way.
Yeah.
Not an MPW!
He's like, no
But I
more.
was standing back there doing it.
And an entire mag!
No, not a
It
whole
doesn't
mag.
matter, you put fucking rounds into the chair!
No, it's just pelted. It's not, nothing went in. Hey, that's for shooting me in the fat when I walked over there.
Not to
asshole.
mention, as you were shooting me, you nailed Sarah in the back of the neck and ripped it to Emma.
My head hurts.
Get inside the car. Everybody get in. Let's move.